Minister within the Ministry of Public Works, Indar, says the maintenance of a sea defense is important to ensure the population is not flooded by the overtopping of the sea. The minister made this statement when he visited two construction sites on the west coast of Demerara, where the government has awarded contracts for the sea defenses to be strengthened.
Works are ongoing on the sea defense in Anna Katrina, Iflot and Zeelat, Region 3. These works, which amount to $620 million, are being completed after the government noticed the harsh effects the breach of the sea defense had on residents of Region 3. This was compounded by torrential rainfall during the past months. Minister Indar conducted an inspection of the ongoing works on Wednesday.
The sea defense is critical to making sure that the severity of floods that we have and future floods, the sea defense is critical to that. So this particular area here, right, actually all these houses here were flooded out. We are happy with the work that we see that was completed here.
The length of the riprap structure protecting the villages is 27 meters and 19 feet from the base of the land.
Minister Indar says he is pleased with the works being executed. From the Zeelat to shoreline, west coast to Demerara, Godfrey Brooms.